I broke something. Joshua here. With CYLTE, I broke something a few weeks ago. A very important tool for taking care of my plants, cacti and succulents. This right here. It fell. I don't know how it fell, but somehow it fell in my laundry room outside, and the handle is gone. For a time, I was like kind of pouring it like this. I was gonna have to upgrade this anyway. I got this from Goodwill in Phoenix last year. Yeah, when I started to actually take gardening seriously. I wanted to share my upgrade with you all. So without further ado, now we open this box up. Got this from Amazon. Open the box. Ooh, I can smell the chemicals. And the reveal. Ooh. This is the reveal. Let me stop teasing and give y'all a real view. This is a 1 gallon watering can. Stainless steel, as you can hear. It even comes with a little handle. You see that? Amazon. What would we do without Amazon? So now I can fill this bad boy up to the top and then, pour it out right at the root ball, just like right there, deep pores. And you may be wondering, does it come with a nozzle? And it does. It was inside. Whew, look at that. That's pretty nice. So you can attach it to the front of this thing. Well, not even attach it, you just kind of screw it on there. See? Right, well, come on, work with me. You're on camera. Oh yeah. So now we can get the pour out of water. All this is like, you hear that? This is all steel. Anyway, I'm not gonna break this because I'm definitely headed on that route. But this holds a whole gallon of water, so now I can really get that pour in and it can last for a long time. But again, I don't need this part. Cool addition. Maybe keep it on my desk for keepsakes. See the shine and the glow? Look at that, you can light a room with this thing. Yeah, now I can get that good pour in. You see this? I like the handle because, again, when you fill up a whole gallon of water, it's not super heavy, but it's not the lightest thing either. So having the handle here, you can lift it up. You're not like trying to hold onto it like with one hand and doing this awkward pour thing. So this handle is amazing. I can link where I got this from. It's from Amazon, so I can give y'all the link. They ought to give me commission on this, boy. I'm over here giving them free advertising. Hey, this could be your product one day. I could be advertising, so just let me know. Give it to me for free. I'll gladly, between you and me, I'll give you a really nice review. But I gotta also be honest, because I don't want to ruin you guys' trust. I'm not gonna be a sellout. It's the next day, and it's time to test out this new watering can that I got on Amazon. 1 gallon stainless steel. So as you can see, I have a covering over the cacti, thanks to the balcony. But so these guys aren't getting water naturally from, God, because they're underneath this balcony ceiling. Neither are these guys over here. They're also not receiving water. So yeah, this gives me the perfect opportunity to test out my new watering can. And here's some water that's been sitting out, dechlorinating itself. Although it doesn't look the clearest. Neither here nor there. Let's pour some water. This thing takes a gallon. This glass jug that I got from Goodwill is a gallon, so should use all the water here, or just about. Maybe not quite. Whoa! I just wanted to see. That's basically a gallon. Why I filled it up that much, I don't know. I was just testing to see if it was actually a gallon. I didn't really need that much water. Can I get that back? Technically, yes. This was not the smartest idea. All right, now we can actually pour some water after that not so smart decision. Let's start with this Sanita cactus. Ooh, oh, it's so light. We're watering near the root ball. Oh man, I should have got one of these right there at the root, baby. Really, these pots are too big for the cacti, to be honest, but they'll do fine. Let's just make our rounds. Flood it, flood it. That's it. Thanks for watching. And yeah, I would highly recommend getting one of these bad boys. Pouring water was super, super easy. I don't know, I'm talking out here. It really helped to speed up the watering process. So get you one of these 1 gallon stainless steel watering cans.